Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We are currently at the gas station right now. Y'all see the Supra, man. Y'all see J.O. We got my boy Chris in the Supra. We gonna ride out. You know what I'm saying? We gonna cruise, push up to a car meet. It's a ride out. But yeah, y'all, we were just gonna cruise, but we had a crazy night last night. We ended up going to a car meet. They were going crazy. Cue the clips from the car meet.
Oh, okay. So everybody wondering, this is down 5'2".
Down 5'2".
Down 5'2", 93. I didn't see me pumping you just.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
So how much horsepower do you think you're pushing?
Right now it's on the OTS, so it's probably like 490.
You've never really ran it. You wanna like drive today or?
Hey, it's up to you.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I've never ran the Supra on E, so it would be pretty
George,
fun.
you wanna run me? You wanna run me on E? Are you on E?
No? There's no point. Oh my gosh.
No, but I'll show you the difference though. Gray single exit or red demon over there.
Red Demon. Yeah, I like that. I like that name. You got more carbon than me. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a big ass piece of carbon.
Yeah, that's like my only carbon though. And the mirrors.
Wait. Y'all hear this guy? Y'all hear? Shit! I know this is not even the right intro, but he's starting off crazy for the intro, God. God
You
damn.
wildin'. You got E now, you don't know how to act, bro. This right here's a B58 killer right here, man. B58 killer. Like I said, man. Bro, what? Damn, bro, these Supras are nice, bro. I'd love to see another Supra, man. It sucks. Bro, on the way coming here, guys, I lost my 360 cam. No more 360 cam. So, the point of today's video was to ride out, get videos of the Supras together, but no 360 cam, y'all. So, when I get a new 360 cam, we running it. Damn, he got the tune on his phone. That's how you know.
Yeah, bro, we gotta flash it real quick. You feel me? Do you?
Oh, that boy got an MHD tune.
Yup.
Nah. For all the people wondering about Supras and their tuning, this is it right here, y'all. You can't have your door open, can you?
I can.
I have to have everything off.
Why?
I don't know. I have to have my seatbelt on.
Oh, bro.
Because I got boot mod 3 for anyone wondering.
Oh, no, MHD, shit's connected.
You think it's better than boot mod 3 for everyone wondering or not?
So, OTS wise, I would say boot mod 3 is better. Because MHD is more of like a conservative OTS.
Yeah.
But if you're custom wise, it doesn't really matter. But OTS wise,
Okay. So how long does it take you to load up this tune?
I'm about to show you.
Okay, bet.
Look at this shit, bro.
5 seconds.
Go through, bro,
Look,
for a BMW,
5 seconds. 5 seconds, I'm done.
to get you
I'm
nowhere,
done.
bro.
5 seconds, I'm done.
Oh my god.
I'm done.
Regular gas and call it a day,
Done.
bro. All this.
Wait, why you want me to pump regular gas, bro?
All
so you can be the
this.
fastest on the road?
Alright, y'all. So we just moved to the other pump. We're gonna fill up the Supra. And where all my that's that scat pad.
That's that scat pad.
That is that scat pad. But this is where all my money goes. To the gas station and to my car. I love my car. It's very fun, but it's a lot of work, man, especially with the tune, especially with E. And I do a lot of driving, man. I don't know, like, man, comment down below if I should get a flex toolkit. Go E, bro. That would be a lot of work, but if y'all really want me to do it, I'll do it for y'all. Because I love y'all. Feel me?
My junior year.
Damn. Bro, that is crazy. I heard that shit, I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy.
Where your car at?
My car is an impound.
No, tell me your car again.
It's in an impound.
Why?
Because I'm about this shit.
Because you stopped.
Because I'm about this shit.
Because he stopped. Because he stopped.
Because I'm about this
He
shit.
ain't about shit. If you was about it, you just kept going.
Lock him up! He's a
Hey, who you is, bro? Hey, who you is, bro? Hey, who you is, man? What's you coming out here like that, man? Cameras and all this shit.
Man, this shit started.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna go to the tunnel right now. We're gonna run it. You know, you love the tunnel with the tunes, all the pops, all the bangs. Hopefully, everyone gets there safe, drive safe. You know, that's what it's about, man. We said our prayer. You know, we protected, man. We gonna get active, man. At the end of the day, we always gotta stay safe. Damn. So them boys just we all split right now.
Jail, the one who fucking went the wrong way.
No, the first time, yeah. But then we went back on.
They went the wrong way. They went the wrong way.
Bro, it was fucking confusing, bro.
Yeah.
I nigga host a ride out. You supposed to wait for everybody, not take off and everybody go this way.
I was looking at the map at first, but then I was like, okay, maybe they know where they're going.
I was just following jail.
I don't even know, bro. Chris was in front of you. How the fuck Chris ended up leaving us?
I know.
He got left lane with me. He could have pushed to the exit.
Yeah.
I'm up for my now to under my load.
Damn. Are we gonna run it back or not? Too many cops.
I don't know.
Way too many.
Yeah.
And like you
Yeah,
He was wild.
gonna bring them straight
Drew
to
got
us.
no license plate.
Drew got
real
run on his shit.
Yeah, Drew got real run on his license plate.
Crazy. He could do that shit. This ain't
Bro,
Broward.
This
Miami,
ain't right.
bro,
We in Miami, bro.
They damn near the same as Georgia. They gonna pit maneuver that faking 5 man, snatch his ass right on the body.
I'm about to get my ass out of fucking Miami. This shit is skeptical out here, bro.
Yeah, it's too much police.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, they was chill. They didn't do nothing though.
I ain't gonna lie. Think about the cop. I'm like, who the fuck come
I
shit?
ain't
All
gonna lie,
you hear
the
is
second time we was turning by the tunnel,
Yeah.
the police came off of their post. I don't know where they went at.
Yeah.
They definitely came
They
off.
couldn't catch us. We was already gone.
Oh no, as soon as I was turning, they was coming out.
Yeah, I know. I had a feeling they was turning out. I ain't gonna lie.
what cops?
The police.
The police.
That was
Remember when we
posted
came up to the light?
Yeah, we turned past them.
Yeah.
Like the tunnel.
Yeah, they was coming off of their post when I turned.
Yeah, bro. Imagine we were with everybody on that shit.
Yeah.
Them boys would have called the boy on the other side of.
Oh yeah, block it off.
Yeah, boys. That's it. I'm going.
What this is? X6?
Yeah.
X6. Let's hear the X6, man. Hold on! Hold on! Oh, record that. It's a J. It's a J. J.
Gotta get out of here.
Yup.
Nah, I done brought them over.
Everybody come over here.
Bro, there was a cop right there, y'all boys, bro.
That shit was loud though.
No, that, bro, X6, bro, underrated, bro. Stock, no tune, just downpipe. That's all you get. If you get a tune downpipe, that's all you get.
Thought she was quiet, huh?
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I thought that shit was quiet. She nice. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes.
Too much. It echoes too much out here, bro. Look, see?
Oh, that's them boys.
They on every corner, bro. You see the gas station?
I mean, it don't say no parking here, so.
No, I'm talking like fucking cops. Everybody out. Yeah.